How to lock or unlock Bank of America debit card. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your application from your device. Here, enter your credentials and tap on Login. Once you are logged into your account, you will see a menu bar icon on your left-hand side. Tap onto it. Under Bank of America, you will also see the option of Manage Debit Card. Tap Open it. Now here you will see a lock option. Make sure that you are onto your credit card that you would like to lock. Tap on Lock, and lastly you have to tap on Lock Card. Now in order to unlock your card, you will see Unlock option. At the same place that you saw Lock option, tap on Unlock, and in order to verify your identity, choose if you would like to get a call or text messages. Once done, tap on to Send code on your bottom right corner. Here, enter the verification code. Once you do so, tap on Continue. And just like so, this is how you lock or unlock your Bank of America debit card. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.